Now on to filming a Hoover dynamic sensor dry WDYNS654D Washer Dryer. For all you candy fans.
Florence Ballard A3060. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Florence Ballard A3060 here, and I hope you enjoy what we've got in stock for today's video.
So what made you go for this one? Just another one you thought you'd try out?
Yeah. I hadn't tried one of those skinny machines, and I thought, oh, that'll fit in there nicely.
Yeah, because it's quite a slim depth one.
Yeah. I thought I'll give it a go.
Yeah, London Underground, buddy.
Yay!
Oh, conditioner we used. What is it? We used Amalfi. We got Capri. Yeah. He's dying. He's getting a bit choked up because he likes machines so much. There we are. What do we go for? So we got Cotton's Pre. A stain blaster, I like that. No way. Not temperature. Ooh, Cotton's 90 on that one. I think it says spin speed 14 rather than 1400.
Huh.
And it says spin speed 14.
Yeah, it's very, yeah.
Let's see what the dryer's like on it, isn't it? What's a little fan thing? Oh, air drying. Okay, okay. Let's get a photo of that. Do what Phil does. There we go. Right. That's quite nice though, I think.
Very wibbly
I
wobbly.
just sat right on the edge of it and I was like, whoa. Oh yeah, load sensing. Calibration on the screen. Oh, missed it. Oh, it's brushed. I thought it would be inverter.
No.
Wow, nice. So that'll come up with a final time, and that'll be.
That's why it's just got so many different features on it for such a tiny little machine. The sensor, the options for the cycle, how long you want it.
That's what I like. They got a lot. These, although rubbish machines, they are good for filming.
See, I bought a brand new tub seal for it.
Oh, that's well good. It uses good water, though.
Yeah, it does, yeah. There's so much, that's why I said to Phil, I said, what do you want it back? But please make sure it's the last one to take back, because I really want to do loads of videos on it. Oh, that hottest.
That Fisher and Paykel is yours to keep. Honestly,
Yeah.
honest to God, I will not ever want to buy.
Okay.
I like them, but not enough for a collection thing.
Yeah.
That's the reason it was a temporary machine. But I was like,
Well,
normally I just put them off when I sell it. But now I
if
was like,
anybody wants to see it, just send them this way.
yeah. There's only about a few people who got one here. So I like that. 2 clicks. That's not the heater, maybe. Or does it do 2 clicks after everything? And it's balled up, lovely. You from
Yeah, it's
Hoover
only
to
using
Hoover.
2 something kilowatts.
That's interesting. Yeah, it's still.
Oh, is it? Oh no, it's because the tumble dryer is on. No, it hasn't started eating yet.
Yeah, I think it's still sensing
I'm
it.
just listening to the clicks. I think it's the.
Oh,
Yeah, it's the not timer, the modern thing.
The processor.
Huh?
The
Yeah, it's
microprocessor, yeah.
Yeah.
PCB, yeah. Right, we're heating up to 90, see what that's going to be like. Eco technology.
Eco my ass.
Shim doesn't have a jet to it though.
I know.
Like someone will have a research jet at the bottom like that. Annoyingly, the foreign version of my Hoover 6 has a jet in it. And it does spin washers, but not my one. What? Cottons? Oh, is that the pre-wash maybe?
Oh yeah.
Cotton's pre.
Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck me through the pods inside it.
Gonna put some liquid in.
Yeah, let's do that one.
Gonna put a splodge of that Dylon in it.
Yeah. Wait till it fills through, innit?
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell, that's heavy.
I know. That was like £6.
Oh. Oh yeah, cotton's... So there's no normal cotton on it then? Oh, that's not very nice.
Yeah, that's evening time. It's the sunset lighting.
There we are. More wash. Does it show the stage? No, it doesn't. I thought you showed the stage of the cycle they were on. Yeah, that makes sense.
So the pre-wash is cold.
Well, it started heating a little bit, it did.
Did it?
Yeah, probably it's about 40 degrees or something. Let's take that in. Yes.
Oh yeah, it's heating now, we're on 5,000 watts.
Jesus. I've had that bedding for 5 years, I have.
It's not faded too much either.
No.
It's been boil washed to death as. Yeah. There we go. Alright, that's heating up to 90 now. 52 minutes left.
It's a Tigger! Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
There it is. Let's see how hot it is.
Okay.
What's it on?
Well, it's about 44, so I'll say it's nearing about 47 or so.
That's alright.
90.
90 with the pre-wash. But he's got it on dryer and the timer says 51 minutes. It must change time for drying, does it?
Probably not.
Well, there's no way that's going to be drying
No.
51 minutes and
But
washed.
it did cut off 45 minutes though, it did.
It did cut off 45 minutes, yeah. On my new best machine.
Oh, he broke the wheel!
Oh, fuck!
What did you do?
He just broke the wheel in his thing.
Plus, that wasn't going to last, was it?
Da, 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 da.
And literally just today you said, oh, putting wheels on this thing was the best thing ever.
Oh, it's just come out. It's just come out.
Oh, it doesn't screw him.
Oh no, it has split, look. On the leg.
Oh, on the cool down there. You could have got the matching drive for the top one, yeah? Or the... Nah, it needs to match the Fisher and Paykel, that's what it needs. Pulled the sheet up inside it.
What is that?
It's draining straight away. Hang on, it filled with water and drained.
What is the point of that?
Oh, that's probably for a spin then. Yeah, we can see the water in the drain. It's a bit milky, you know.
I'm not surprised, it's your bedding. Not yours, Brandon's.
What's the, has Phil ever brought his bedding to wash? Oh, is this the first clockwise machine I'm going to film in like ages?
Yeah. That's why I'm keeping it.
It's pulled the bloody sheet up inside it.
What, is the underset on? Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's what it sounds like. And it says no.
Bowie, stop it. Cut up enough carpet, but don't need you chewing on it as well.
That's even more balance. It's no pain. Oh, oh, the sheet's coming out. There we are.
Aha!
That's what's happened.
One sheet is plenty. One sheet is plenty. For doggos.
The bedding's up from the long as soon as you wash it. It's the most annoying thing for a machine. It's going to go the other way. No. 28 minutes apparently.
That must be just for the wash only. It can't be for the
Yeah.
dry as well.
Maybe it's got to recalibrate for the dry.
Probably.
Oh. Oh, it does that little
Burst.
pulse thing, yeah.
Yeah, that's shit. Make it even more annoying.
Well, it sounds a bit rough.
It definitely gets quieter as it gets faster. You'll see now.
Ironically, the line that's going around there is the circle line. On the bed, it's yellow, yeah. Throwing a Hoover as a candy.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy this off you, change the dirt tub seal and vinyl it pink.
To be fair though, I do prefer the drum on this to the newer ones with a thin door seal to them.
Alright. They still make the skin washer dryers?
Do they? No, they're high air made now. Same as the Fisher and Paykel. They're still out now.
Probably. Sit down. Sit. Even Fred Bowie's backing off from the washing machine. He's looking at it and backing away. It's scary.
The early ones were known to explode at 1600 over, or 1400, I don't know what it was. About 600. Alright, first rinse.
What are you tickling at?
Oh, that gurgled there. Is it low water level on this one? I think it is, isn't it? It's alright, quite low, I guess. But is he going to top it up with water?
I think so. Maybe on the final screen. Don't eat it, Daddy.
The second one through the stem. Apart from the first one. Oh, must have been the first time.
Whose machine?
Oh, Rufford Ford. They closed that now, haven't they?
There's another one nearby.
There's one as well, I remember. Some guy goes through, revs it, and you actually hear his engine go bang. And oil comes out the bottom.
Good.
He blows the piston, yeah.
We drove the MG through flooded water. It was fine.
Is the intake high or low on those? Is it?
It isn't electric.
Oh, yeah. Screaming.
And whose fucking machine is it? Scrapman Phil. Me. And where did it come from? Scrapman Phil.
Wait, did he do a workshop video on that? I can't remember. No.
No, I can't remember where you got it from.
Chris as well.
Yeah, I got two.
It was in a workshop video briefly, I think.
4, 5. I've got 5 machines from Chris. 6, 7. 7 machines are from originally from Chris.
Well, yeah. I got, yeah. Well, yeah. The logic
Was
was.
the logic? Oh no, it wasn't, was it? I didn't include that anyway.
The 18 came from Chris.
Hang on, I can go through each single one now. That one,
Yes.
Chris.
Yes.
That one, Chris.
Yeah.
No,
No.
Chris.
Chris.
No, Chris.
Yes.
Chris.
Yes.
Chris. No. No.
Fisher and Paykel.
Fisher and Paykel. The Miele dryer, Chris. And the Miele washing machine, Chris.
What's the meal drawer from Chris? I thought it was from Phil. Oh.
7 from Chris. 7. None.
That one did.
Fixed. Fixed. Not you. Not you. 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 Not you.
800.
Not you. Dryer. You. Washer. You. Okay. Another one. Yeah, I was there, you twat in dementia.
Oh. Little wobble.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't expect it. I was
Oh, that's funny. Oh, that conditioner smells good.
How much power have we got left? Oh, we're off power. Battery down to 10%. We're on grid.
Oh dear. I'll spin 1400 on then.
Pickle snort.
You know.
Okay, bye-bye.
See ya.
I think we said different pictures from the
Yeah. No. Definitely a no. If it rotated the other way to balance, it would be fine.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I think we found balance. No, we haven't. They're quite sensitive, these are. Oh. What's that? 400 bird. What was that?
What? Food.
Was that you, Parker? That sounded like a sound effect, it did.
No, I chucked the wire over there.
I thought it was...
I think it pinged up on the glass.
Where's the dishwasher? Where's that dishwasher?
I don't know, Phil, so
Oh,
what was the fabric softener you used? The Amalfi.
No, it's the free I've used.
I bet that's restricting itself.
You reckon?
Only got 2 minutes. Just back where I'm balancing it. It's only gone to 1,000 now.
Hour and 30 there, I'll strength to dry. Yeah, we knew it would recalibrate again. In the dryer fan. Nice quiet dryer fan it's got.
What the hell? Did I just lose my glasses?
That broke.
I was just wearing them. Where did they go? That is insane.
Right, we're at the end. Well, we didn't do the whole dry, so I just want to see how hot it would get. Ooh, a bit steamy. Look at that. That's steam. It's not smoke. That is actually quite hot though. That's gotten. Yeah.
Oh wow, yeah, it did too. Shit, that was good and quick.
It's only about 10 minutes
Yeah.
worth of drying in that. Watch the fan.
I've done that before, man.
What, you put your hand straight into the fan?
Yeah. Doesn't hurt actually, surprisingly.
It's good.
The shock, I think, it was the most. The worst thing.
No. That's going to smell nice in it because it's heated up.
Mm.
Toasty bedding. Oh, that's the. So that's Door's beloved because he absolutely loves it. Hoover Dynamic WDYNS654D 6+5 Washer Dryer.
It's just a couple of little surprises on it.
Yeah, they are decent machines to fill. I did need to get one of these once, but
It does have a
person never got back to me over it.
few redeeming features.
The one I was going to get was the 1500 version though. But well, roll on the AEG tomorrow.